We will now see about the row bar and the column bar. So we can see that each row is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and each column is numbered alphabetically as A, B, C, D. So these bars, which contain the names, you can see here, this is known as the column bar, and this set of 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, this is known as the row bar. So what can we do and how is it useful in Excel? Say for example, there is a set of data and some data is not relevant for me in the time being. So what I can do is that I can use this, I can select this particular whole column by going on the column bar to the particular alphabet. I can right click, I can just hide it. So when I hide it, you can see that after it is directly C. And if I want to, later at a point of time, if I want to extend, I can extend it. Imagine I have written something and which is, it's not fully visible. You can see here there are a lot of more F's, but here only some are visible. If I want to increase the height, I can just, I want to increase the width of it, so I can just hold it and I can drag it. If I want to increase the size of multiple columns, I can just right click, select the respective columns on the column bar and right click, go to the column width, select whatever column width I want, right? I can select whatever column width I want and I can again further reduce them. And one more feature is that you just hold on a top of a particular column bar in between two particular columns and double left click, automatically the column will adjust to the size of the things, the size of the word that you have written, right? And similarly with the row bar, you can go on the row bar, uh, you can change the row height, right? And this is also very similar. If you have written something, first of all the row height increases automatically as and when the font size increases. But in case if you want to adjust it, then even the double click will bring it back to the rows will get automatically adjusted so that the word is, or the sentence or the word, whatever you have written, the data that you have put in that particular cell is visible. In case you happen to enter some data and you have missed, say for example, this is SL number, you have missed the name and you put a roll number in between and you want to put the name column, you have already entered all the data, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and SL number A, B, C. But then you remember that you have to put a name column in between. One thing is that you can copy or paste, or what you can do is you can just select the column, right click, and if you press insert, a new column to the left will be inserted. Similarly with the rows, if you have to enter some data in between, if you press insert, then a row will get inserted on the top. So always remember, if you want to insert a new column, the new column will be inserted to the left and a new row will be inserted to the top. So likewise you can add new rows and columns as well. So this is the features of a row bar and the column bar.